First of all, we have to know what do you mean by modal verbs. Modal verb means a kind of helping auxiliary verb that is used for possibility, ability, permission and necessity. Now list of modal verbs: will, would, should, can, could, may. But we have some list of now semi-modal verbs now. So what are semi-modal verbs now? Just example for now here: need to, used to, ought to and dare to. So these are said semi-modal verbs in English. Now today's our topic: how to make the passive voice of modal verbs from active to passive. First now I want to say a structure. In active voice, subject plus modal verb plus V1 plus object. PV means now passive voice. So OS plus modal verb plus B plus V3 plus Y plus SO. So it is the structure of passive voice of modal verb. SO or OS. What do you mean by SO or OS? SO means subject object or OS means now object to subject here. Now I show you some examples now here. I can solve each question. It is active voice. So in this question, each question means now object of this sentence. So object becomes subject of passive voice. So I can solve each question. It is active voice. So in this question, each question means now object of this sentence. So object becomes subject of passive voice. So we can write each question can be solved by me. Mr. Yadav should do his job very honestly. In this sentence, his job means object of active voice. So object becomes subject. So in passive voice, at first now we have to write his job should be done very honestly by Mr. Yadav. You ought to help the beggar. So the beggar is the object of active voice. So the beggar becomes subject of passive voice. So write the beggar ought to be helped by you. She could not hear a sound. A sound is object. So object becomes subject of passive voice. A sound could not be heard by her, or no sound could not be heard by her. I want to inform one thing now here. It is very beneficial to you now here. Not plus a, any, and becomes now no. If we want to make now passive voice by another ways, so we can write now no sound. No sound could be heard by her. Our English teacher will give us an English note. So in this sentence, what's now object? An English note. English note becomes now subject of passive voice. So write in this way. An English note will be given to us by our English teacher. Or us is also object there. Us becomes we. So we need not shall. So we shall be given an English note by our English teacher. Everyone used to read the Bible. The Bible is object. So the object becomes subject. The Bible used to be read. Imran need to answer each question. So each question is object in active voice. So each question becomes subject of passive voice. So each question need to be answered by Imran. Now we can make also now passive voice of modal verbs in interrogative or in a question pattern now here. Must she help you? You is object or she is now subject of active voice. So no need to change anything now. Must is modal verb. So at first now in the passive voice also we have to write now same must. Must you object. So object becomes subject. Must you be helped by her. Thank you today. This much only.